Hi you guys, McKenzie here. We are going to talk today really quickly about how to cover grays with extensions. So I have an IBE client here. She's wearing 2 rows and she does have some sparkles that seem to creep in every 7 weeks. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to cover those while still keeping her rows in. You don't have to take them out. This is for the stylists who are busy. They need to get clients in and out. This is what I like to do. Come check it out. So right here you can see she has about 7.5 weeks of regrowth, okay? She's got some grays creeping in there. And I'm gonna show you what her row looks like as well. So this is her grow out of, again, this is the Invisible Bead Extensions method. And you can see she still does have grays that are growing in here through this row that I'm going to want to cover. So instead of taking out all of her rows, touching up her grays, then reinstalling, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, I'm going to apply a root touch-up now, including this area to make sure that everything that is within her rows is being touched up. And then I will let her process. We'll rinse everything out, and then I will move her extensions up. So it's super, super easy. And this is the cool thing about IBE is you don't have to take out her rows every time she needs her grays touched up. In fact, a lot of times you can do a touch up at 4 weeks, make sure that you cover those grays. You don't even have to move the extensions up because these extensions can go at least 8 weeks long. So a lot of people will schedule a root touch up for 4 weeks, leave the extensions in, and then at 8 weeks they'll come back. We'll do the same process I just explained, and then she'll get her extensions retightened.
Awake all night, I need you awake all night, I need you awake all night, I need you awake all night, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you, I need you.
Okay, so I have her entire application done now, and now we're just gonna process. So let me tell you what I used. I used Agora Color 10. So that's actually, if you're not familiar with that, that's 10-minute processing time, which I absolutely love. So I did that. We're gonna process 10 minutes. I used 6-0 and about 1/3 of 5-1. So that was my formula with 20 volume developer. We're gonna wait, and then the great part is you rinse it out. I get her to about 80% dry, and then I will do her move up at the end of the service. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to drop them below, and also make sure you don't forget to like or subscribe. Thanks.